Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I am going to solve 728 self-dividing numbers, and this is an easy problem. And this is day 3 of my productive series. So without any further delay, let's get into the video and let's solve the problem. In this series, I'm not going to share any kind of knowledge that I am having in coding. I just want to improve myself in coding and I just want to be in consistency. So don't expect any kind of knowledge from me. And also, if you find me if you find that I'm doing any wrong approach, or else if you feel this problem can be solved in any optimized way, please feel free to comment. I'm happy for learning. A self-dividing number is a number that is divisible by every digit it contains. Okay, for example, they have given 128 and each and every digit it should be divisible, and that number is called a self-dividing number. Okay, I got it. Now here given two integers left and right, return a list of all self. Okay, so we need to return the list of all the self-dividing numbers between the range left and right range. Here are the inputs left and right. So these are all self-dividing numbers and 47, 85. Okay. Constraints are 10 power 4 up to 10 power 4. Okay, let's try the problem. So at first we have to return the list type, right? So I'm going to initialize one list, array list, new array list, and here now, so we should get the self-dividing numbers in these ranges, right? Left and right. I just want to use for loop for this. 22 is also included, right is also included. That means less than or equal to right I plus plus. Okay, now so actually here each and every digit need to be verified, right? So for this we need to return the string. I mean, we should convert the number digit into string. So how can we do? Okay, if I write here string n equal to left, not left, here like I'm not getting any idea for this one. So basically we need to check each digit whether it is divisible or not. So 128 divided by 1 digit and 128 divided by 2, 128 divided by 8. That means we need to split the digit wise. So we need character array. For this we need to convert the string. We need to convert the number into string. So let's write string builder itself. We have this one, no? Let's use this one. What's there in that? New string builder. So now I'm going to append sb.append our our number. Now, so in the sb, let's write this one. String s equal to sb.toString. This is string builder. Now we have to convert into toString. So our number will be converted to string, and then I'm going to split the characters that the number has. So character s dot to char array. So basically what I am doing is I'm initializing the string builder. String builder has various functionalities, so I'm just using the functionality in this problem. So I'm appending the number. So left and the left plus all these numbers will be appended to the string builder. and then I'm just initializing one s variable, and then I'm converting the string builder to the string. Now I'm creating one character array because this is important. We need to check each and every digit, right? For that's why now, so our digits will come. So basically, if you take an example of 128 itself, our 128 will be splitted like this: one character, 2, and 8, like this. So basically in the C we have 1 to 8. Now we need to verify whether the number itself is divisible or not. First of all, we need number, right? Okay. Okay, we should contain original number. So int num equal to, let's convert integer dot parse int s. So the string here, in the string we have 128 in this way, right? In this way we have 128. Now with this step our 128 will be converted into number. See, first it is in string format, and now it is converted into 128 in number format, integer format. Okay. Now I am will use while loop. While, let's initialize one variable called int l, for my purpose 0. So it is used for incrementing, right? L less than c dot length, l less than c dot length, or else can I give the condition else l not equal to c dot length. So if it is equal to c dot length means you should come out from the while loop. Okay, while l not equal to c dot length. Now what I have to do here? So basically we need to find the ranges of self-dividing numbers. Okay, now I need to check each and every character that is present. So if suppose if num 128 mod character mod character dot get numeric value c of l, if num mod character dot get numeric value c of l is not equal to 0, if it is not divisible by that character means you should simply return, right? Just break, just simply get out of the loop. And also you can see a self-dividing number is not allowed to contain digit 0. So there is no space for 0. You can see 10 is not there, and any 50, 60 is also not there, even though if it is self-dividing number. So what can I do here? Here I can do if character dot get numeric value c of l is 0 is equal to 0 means just can I keep count variable for tracking purpose? Count equal to, let's say 0, int count equal to 0, and here count equal to, let's mark it as count equal to -1 and break, come out of the loop. So basically if it is 0 means we should not touch that number, right? They are telling that one only, self-dividing number is not allowed to contain the digit 0, so 0 should not be present. In out of while loop we can write this one like condition, if count is equal to -1, no, we should not write, I guess. Wait for a while. If count, okay, first let me finish this while loop. I'm not confusing you, I'm just going slowly. Let's understand properly. So what I'm trying to do here is, first I am checking whether the character is 0 or not. If it is 0 means I am just updating the count value as -1 and I am just coming out of the loop itself. And suppose if the character is not 0, if the character is 1 means it will normally divide it by 1. Suppose if the number itself is not divided by the character, if suppose instead of 128, now suppose if it has 128, and let's say if the number is here there is no space for 14. So 14, let's suppose take the example of 14. 14 divided by 1, the remainder is 0. So 1, so as of now that is okay. Now 14 divided by 4, the remainder is not equal to 0. So 14 will not be considered as self-dividing number. When the character itself is not divisible by the number, then you should come out of the loop, and here I should give increment of L. Now at last we can write here, or when the loop itself is completed, here I am mentioning like if L is equal to c dot length. So basically you can see how many characters are there here. 3 characters, that is 1, 2 and 8. If the loop itself is perfect means then L value will be perfect, right? L will definitely increment to the c dot length. If it suppose it breaks from the loop, then L value will not be equal to the c dot length, right? I hope you are getting my point. In 128, if suppose one character is not divisible means L value, suppose in 3 characters one character is not divisible means 2 characters are perfect means then the L value will be 2, but the c dot length character will be 3. So 3 not equal to 2, right? Then the if condition will not pass here. So if c dot length is equal to L means we should simply add that element into our result list. So a dot add, what can we add? We can add that number itself. So this is my understanding. Let's run the code. We should return the array, and I'm going to run this one. Okay, P should be capital, I guess. I also capital. It's taking so time. I'm reloading the page. Let's run the code. Okay, I also capital then. I have converted no into sp.toString. What's wrong with this? Or did we do any kind of mistake here? Integer or parse int only, right? Okay, I will search. I think that is correct. Okay, P is small and then I is capital. I'm so sorry. Okay, it got pass. So actually it passed. Let's submit the code. Okay, finally it passed. Fine. I will explain you the code it here. What I have done means I just initialize the array list. This is my resulting list, and then whole code is done with the for loop itself. I just initialized the string builder inside the loop and appended the number, and here I am converting the string, and here I am getting the number like string to integer. This is the conversion of string to integer, these two steps. And then we should verify the characters, right? Each and every character that is present in the number. So I am just using the character array for this, and then I initialize the two variables, that is int. I guess no need of count variable here, but I just use it because of tracking purpose. No need of count variable. So if if the character is 0 means you should get some come out of the loop immediately. If the character is not 0 and if it is not divisible by the number itself means you should break the loop. Otherwise you should increment the L value here itself. And at last, if L is equal to c dot length of the characters means you should simply add the element number to our list. So this is the problem, and let's see the time complexity. Here itself they will mention order n into k. Okay, and coming to the space complexity, order of n. Okay, fine. So this is all about the video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel.